Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites so you don't stall later. Make sure your iPhone runs the required iOS version and you know the app to unlock. Open Settings now because you'll act immediately. Go to Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Toggle the main switch on if it's off. This master control enables per-app access. Once done, scroll to the target app in the list. You're ready to set its specific permission level before continuing to detailed options. Now you'll configure the app-specific permission, which controls when the app can access your location and why that matters for functionality and battery life. Tap the app's entry and location services, then select the appropriate setting, while using for foreground features, always for background services, or allow once for temporary access. If the app needs high accuracy, toggle precise location on. If privacy matters more, leave it off. Make sure to confirm any system prompts. They finalize the choice and inform the app. Finish by validating changes. Close and reopen the app, and if needed, restart your iPhone so system services refresh. If location still fails, verify location services remains on, confirm cellular or Wi-Fi is active for assisted GPS, and try toggling airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios. As a last resort, go to Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset location and privacy to restore defaults. Only do that when permissions are persistently blocked, because it resets all app settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.